Melinda, Elmer with Century 21 Masters and the Elmer team. Today I wanted to share a few things that I've been getting questions about, which is Assembly Bill 1033. It's a new law that's been passed, which is allowing people who have purchased a property and built an ADU or accessory dwelling unit, or people call them granny flats or all sorts of different things. But in general, they're an accessory dwelling unit. So maybe they've converted a garage into a studio apartment or a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom, or a separate property has been built. Previously, there was a law that said you could not sell those separately, that they had to forever remain attached to the other property and used as more like a duplex kind of situation. Well, now that law has changed. And as of January 1st, 2024, in an area that's been adopted, so the municipality also has to adopt the rule and put rules around it. And many of the municipalities have not adopted that as of yet. So if you're interested in your area being able to have it, make sure to reach out to your city council and your local government officials and ask them to make it a new rule for you. Now, with that being said, what it will allow is for that property to be sold separately as a condo, basically. So what would happen is, let's say you had a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in the front, and then you had a 1-bedroom ADU property in the back, which used to be your garage, for example. You could actually sell that property separately. And what you would have is you'd have a homeowners association with condo rules and a condo plan for both properties. So you'd essentially be splitting the lot, and there'd be shared space and common space, and also individual airspace, which is owned. So that can really open up some affordability and housing affordability. And it will also be a little bit messy while it gets figured out initially. So if you are interested in having this pass in your area, you want to reach out to your city officials, talk to them about getting this to pass and work on that. As of right now, there's really no areas that this has been legal because it's really a brand new law. But if you have any questions about it and how it could possibly work for you or your area, feel free to give me a call at 562-316-2915 or Melinda@theelmerteam.com. Thanks so much for watching, and please feel free to forward and share this with your friends, especially if they have an ADU.